Good morning, everybody. It's Robb Moffett. Guys, we're going to be talking about ways you can make some money on this video. Usually I don't do personal finance videos or money-making videos on my channel, not too often. But so many people are out of work and things are getting kind of tight right now. 2021, I thought, well, whenever I can, I'm going to try this year to put across some videos on how do we save money, make money, or personal finance. This morning we're going to talk about a website my brother-in-law turned me on called GarageSailor.com. It's GSALR. If you're looking to make some money, you can find things at garage sales, inexpensive to resell or also to use for yourself. The cool thing about this site is that when you plug in any city that you want in the U.S., this is going to be just basically for people in the United States. You'll get a map that shows all the locations of the garage sales. Now, right now, it's the middle of a pandemic, so there's not a lot of garage sales. Also, it's the middle of winter. And also, it's like a week after Christmas, so most of the country isn't going to have that many garage sales going on. But the pandemic isn't going to last forever, and winter isn't going to last forever. So you can find garage sales, and the cool thing about them is you can see on the map exactly where they are, so you can plan your route. And when you click on them, it'll go to the garage sale and gets you more details. It gives you the phone number and what time they're going to start and so on. And sometimes they have photographs. Let's see if they have any here. This was just something I picked at random here in the city of Miami. Well, they don't have any photographs, but you can get an idea of what's going on at that particular garage sale. And like I said, you have a map that gives you all the one in your particular area, and it's really handy for planning your route. Like I said, if you go to the GarageSailor.com site, the home city, you just enter zip code or the city you want, and you'll get a list of all of the ones on the map, so you can plan your route and you can see what they've got for sale and phone numbers and so on. So I think it's a pretty cool device to have. That way you can be more efficient in looking. Now, you also have things like Facebook Marketplace. They don't, as far as I can know, list individual garage sales, and they don't have a mapping device. But it is pretty cool where if you're looking just for specific things like computers or electronics, they have categories that you can plug in, and you can see whatever's for sale in the marketplace, like security cameras or computers and so on, whatever you're looking for. But you don't have the access to the mapping like you do on garage sale. Now, I'm an old thrift store addict. I used to years ago have a route of thrift stores I would go to. If you go to Maps, Google Maps, and just plug in thrift stores, if you learn how to spell, I got thrifty stores. Thrifty stores. Google somehow knew what I was talking about when I wrote thrifty stores. Oh, Lord help us. And if you're living here in Broward, you just go down. What is this road? I think this is Sunrise, and come up this road. How long have you been living here, Bob? Go State Road 7. You would go down Sunrise and just hit them one after another. Blam, 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 blam. Come down here and make U-turn, go back up State Road 7, and you get like about 17 or 18 thrift stores in a very short period of time. You could hit a lot of stores and have a nice route doing that way. So it's very handy. Years ago, I used to have a route in Miami, and I made a living selling stuff I got there, so I wrote a book about it. This is a really old book. The personal narrative is still handy, but the internet resources in it became obsolete within weeks or months. But it's still a very good book as far as what you want to buy and resell and so on in the process. Also auctions at the airport and so on. It was just a few dollars, I think, to sell it for like $2.99 on eBay, or excuse me, on Kindle, Amazon. But if you're into garage sales, or even if you're not, you might want to save this site, GSALR.com. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. So when this pandemic is over and winter's over and people are having garage sales again, this would be a handy way for you to be more efficient and save a lot of time and picking your garage sales, because it's going to be a handy way to find things for sale for you to use for yourself or to resell. So I thought this would be something to help for you guys in the coming year, and I'm going to be having more videos in the future on things you can make money with, and personal finance too, among all my other things I usually have during the year. So I hope this was helpful to you, and you all stay safe and comfortable out there, and take care, and see you real soon. I put videos on every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over almost 900 videos. Bunch of cool playlist, and I got a bunch of cool people I feature on my channel down at the very bottom. No relation to me. They're not anyway. So you all come back. Like I said, new stuff every week. Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.